How to claim rewards from mail in Last War. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Last War survival game and have rewards waiting for you in the mailbox, first of all, open the Last War survival game on your device. From the main screen, go ahead and look for the mail icon on the right corner and tap on it. Now, you'll see the options on the next page. Open the message that you received to open up the attachments and click on Claim All at the bottom right if available. If you've got any rewards, you'll be able to claim it right away. After you do that, you'll receive rewards on your account. Go ahead and look for any other mail that you may have received and you'll be able to open it up and claim it right away. That's it! You successfully claimed your rewards from mail in Last War survival game. Keep checking your inbox so you don't miss valuable resources, event rewards, or other gifts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.